Now let's look at array merge function. This function will merge two or more arrays together, returning a single array of all the array elements combined. So to demonstrate this, let's define one array of numbers 0 to 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And another array of strings. So 1, 2, and 3. And instead of we echoing out the array, let's use the printr function. This will display all the elements in the array. And inside, we will pass the array merge function. So array underscore merge. And this will get n number of arrays to combine. So this will return a single array. So our first array, and then the next one, just like that. And we'll go to the browser, refresh the page. You can see that the printr function will give you all the information pertaining to this array. After the fifth index, we have our string elements 1, 2, 3. This is how you can utilize the array merge function. So the next function we are going to look at is strpos. So this function will find the position of the first occurrence of a substring in a string. So let's define a statement for this example. Hello and welcome. And next is the search string. We wanted to search if there is any occurrence of this word, hello. We can define another variable called POS. So this is going to store the return result of the strpos function. So strpos. So the first parameter is going to be the subject string, which is the statement. And the next parameter is the search string. And we wanted to check if the search string is available in the statement or not. So to do that, we will utilize the if statement. So if POS, we will use the comparator operator. If it's false, which means it's null, then we will echo out the search string was not found in statement. Let's add a break tag. Else, if it does contain any elements, then we will echo out the search string was found in statement at POS at this position. Okay, let's save it and go to the browser and refresh the page. You can see that the word hello was found in this statement, hello and welcome, at the position 0, because hello is the first substring occurrence. Let's go back to the code and just make the h lowercase and see what happens. The search string hello was not found in the statement. Why? Because this is case sensitive, which means that you should follow the strict case for the search string. So that's it for strpos. The next function that we are going to look at is the in_array function. This function checks if a value exists in an array or not. So to demonstrate this, let's create an array of fruits. So I'm going to give it 4 values. So the first value is going to be apple. The next one is orange, then banana, and finally watermelon. Okay. And the next is going to be the search string. So find fruit. Let's give apple for now. Next variable is going to be check fruit. This is going to store the return value of the in array. So inArray is going to return true or false based upon the search string. So the first parameter is going to be find fruit. The next parameter is going to be the array that we wanted to search. So this is going to be fruits. So we can check if there is fruit, which is we just simply pass the variable just like that. It's going to, we know that it's going to be true because apple is in fruits array. So let's add echo the fruit, find fruit is found in the fruits array. Okay. Else echo the fruit find underscore fruit is not found in the fruits array. Just like that. Okay, let's go to the browser and refresh the page. We know that the fruit apple is in the array fruits. Let's give something else like mango and go back to the browser and refresh the page. The fruit mango is not found in the fruits array because we don't have that fruit in the arrays. So that's why it returned a false value. So that's it for in underscore array. The next function is implode. So implode will combine all the array elements and outputs a single string. So to demonstrate this, let's add an array of 3 string elements. So the first is first name, the next is last name, and the third one is phone. Okay. And since it returns a string element, we can simply use the echo to output the implode function. So echo, so implode will take 2 parameters. So the first parameter is going to be, like I said before, this is going to combine all the array elements. So if you leave without passing the first parameter and simply pass the array like that, let's see what happens. So we'll get a single string without any space or any commas. Why? Because we didn't pass any space or comma as the first parameter. To do that, we'll simply put a space, a blank space within double quotes as the first parameter. And if we go to the browser and refresh the page, you can see that after each items, there's a space. Even you can add a comma like that. So it will separate each item with a comma. But this is a single string. So that's it for implode.